Okay, everybody, welcome to the Wednesday directions video. I've got a pretty simple day planned here. Yesterday, if you're an online student, you should have finished watching the video and turned in the video, guys, like some of you did. In-person students, we just did it on a hard copy and turned it in that way. Today now, we're switching gears a little bit. We're going to be kind of looking at doing some documents on the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists. Should be a relatively short assignment, especially if you've kind of gotten the hang of the documents down. So we got two documents here. Document A is the Anti-Federalist position, and then document B is the Federalist position. So obviously we're going to have two documents looking at the same topic but different sides, right? Anti-Federalists did not want the Constitution to be passed, and the Federalists did. So obviously that's what we're going to be talking about. The Constitution and what should happen with it. For this, you guys can lay out your Google Doc a certain way, or you can just answer these questions for document A first, and then document B. Kind of your call how you want to set up on your Google Doc. So for Google Doc, it's talking about Mr. Smith here, and it asks, is this person happy with the new Constitution deals with representation, or how the Constitution deals with representation? Yes or no. So this one's pretty simple. This is just a yes or no question. What kind of government would this person like to see? Same question for both. So that one should just be a quick 1 to 2 sentence answer. And then you're going to have to find your quote to support your claim. So if he says he wants this type of government, you got to have a legit quote from document A or B supporting what you're saying there. All right, based on this document, what sort of people in society would support this point of view? So you have to kind of do some thinking there. So this one is, it's more, okay, based on what this person is saying, who would follow them or who would be in support of them? So should be relatively quick. Kind of our last thing on Federalists, Anti-Federalists, before we move on to tomorrow. Tomorrow we might look at the Federalist Papers a little bit more, and then next week we'll actually start diving into the Constitution and looking at all of its pieces. But yep, read through the documents, answer these 4 questions that go with each, so you'll have to answer both, and then you should be good to go. And it should be relatively easy now. I'm hoping that you guys are pretty familiar with Federalists and Anti-Federalists, and that whole kind of scenario, so hopefully these documents don't give you too much trouble. But all right, let me know if you do have any questions. Just email me, and I'll shoot you an email back as fast as I can. All right, have a good day.